Hello friends, you are welcome to Skills Global and Namaskar. Through Namaskar we greet, okay, to whom we address or to whom we meet. Nick, alright, as expected in today's video, we are going to use the word or verb drink in past tense. All right, past tense. And in past, first let's check simple past. Simple past. What happens in simple past? In English, I think I need not explain you, but still, second form of the verb, right? Second form of the verb in simple past tense. Like, I went there, right? We visited there and ate something tasty. Okay, we had a pizza there. Same way, we are just going to use the verb drink. Alright? Just we are continuing the verb drink. In second form, it becomes drank. Right? He drank water. And he drank water. Now, in past, how native Indians speak it in Hindi. I told you to drink, we call it peena. All right, peena. And in let's recall what did we say to he drinks water. He drinks water. Pani पीता है, right? She drinks water, पीती है. They drink water, पीते हैं. Now, when it comes to past, it is everywhere. पिया, पिया था means drank water. He drank what? Water means pani. पानी पिया था. Drank water. She drank water. She drank water. Now here she is not वह. We call it in past उसने. उसने. Alright? Now, okay, we are dealing with John here. John. John drank water yesterday. Yesterday we call it kal. Kal. We read it kal means yesterday. Now John drank water yesterday. John kal pani piya tha. And one more thing. In native Hindi, we basically speak it like John ne. John ne. Ne. Kal. Pani. Now same. Piya tha. You can speak it. This also. John kal pani piya tha. John ne. Kal pani piya tha. Now John, that's it. Kal pani. You already know it. Piya. Piya. Piya means drank. Tha. It is used for was. Now drank water. Piya. I drank water. मैंने. Not only मैं, but मैंने. This ne is used generally in native Hindi. मैंने पानी पिया था. He drank water. उसने. Now वह no. उसने पानी पिया था. I'll try to give it through PDF. She drank water. उसने पानी पिया था. John ने पानी पिया था. Prime Minister drank water. The Prime Minister drank water. Prime Minister ने पानी पिया था. He drank vodka. He drank vodka. Like उसने vodka पिया था. He drank whiskey. Like he took whiskey. I just want to emphasize on the verb drink. Alright? Drink. Here in past we use drank. So drink pina. Drank pia. Pia. Alright? Pia. Drank pia. 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 I drank. I had. Maine pia. Got it? So here it's clear, I believe. Now comes past continuous tense. Past continuous tense, and you know in continuity in Hindi, the verb is used in two pieces. Pi raha, pi rahi, pi rahe. The same. Alright? In present it was hai, and in past it will be used, or in past it is used tha, thi, the. Got it? Now you understood. Tha is for a male singular. Thi, it's for a female singular. They for plural. Alright. Now, the teacher was drinking water in the class. To teacher you can call teacher also. And shikshak also. Shikshak in our native Hindi, native speakers, especially of the medium Hindi, they speak to teacher or shikshak. Shikshak. If you can't speak it, otherwise teacher. Kaksha. Kaksha. It is class. And more we speak teacher and class than shikshak and kaksha. If you can try, you try, or you can use a teacher in class, like teacher class में. Teacher class में पानी पी रहे थे. Now see, it is for plural. रहे and थे. I told you many times. Here it is one teacher, right? So it should be raha tha. But no. The teachers officially, formally, okay? We do respect a lot, and our subject verb agreement is like we treat the teacher or such profiles as plural even if they are singular, right? So teacher class में पानी पी रहे थे. Got it? Now, somebody was drinking water in the class, right? Who was drinking water in that class? Maybe, like many subjects we have used, but let it be. A buffalo, wow. A buffalo was drinking water, alright, from a tank. So, a buffalo was drinking water. Buffalo we call bhais. Alright? Bhais. 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 Alright? So, a bhais, a buffalo was drinking water. Bhais, pani, pi. Now, buffalo is a female. Rahi thi. Right? A buffalo was drinking water. Bhais, pani, pi rahi thi. If you want to talk about a cow was drinking water. So to cow, we say guy. Same way like something you guys speak this for persons, guys. Kind of pronunciation, it is guy. Alright, guy. A cow was drinking water. Guy पानी पी रही थी. Oh wow. My friend was drinking water. मेरा दोस्त पानी पी रहा था. My friend was drinking water. If it is a female, मेरी दोस्त पानी पी रही थी. My colleague was drinking water. If it's a male, मेरा दोस्त पानी पी रहा था. मेरा colleague पानी पी रहा था. मेरी colleague पानी पी पी रही थी. Got it? You understood it. Understood it. Right? I need not explain this how to read, but see these two words for meaning also and IPA as well, international pronunciations as well. It is shik-shak. Can you read it? Shik, shik, shak. Shik, shak, shak. Shik, shak. And kaksha. Kaksha. If you want to use class, we even use more. Class and teacher. That's it. Next, let's proceed it. Let's proceed. Now comes the past perfect. And I told you. Acha, for tha, thi, the, I have told you, right? Tha, it's for was, past. Alright? Here also it will be. Like I told you for perfect, whether it is present or past or any. It will be with verb chuka. Verbs one letter, then chuka. Chuka, chuki, chuki. Chuka for a male singular. Like if somebody has done something or completed. Chuka. Like ka, chuka, eaten. P, chuka. Here we are dealing with drink. So it will be pina. I told you already. Now it's first part is P and then chuka. P, then chuke for female. Chuki for female. P, chuke for plural. Alright? Yes. So here see, Michael had drank water. Michael had drunk the juice. Oh, no water. Before me. Michael had drunk the juice before me. Like Michael had drank the juice. Like Michael and then juice. This is the structure in Hindi. Subject, then object. But anything related it comes before the object. Like Michael. Now before me, time preposition. So it will come before object. Michael, before me, means mujhse pehle. Now before, what do we call before? See here must be no mujhse pehle. Pehle. This is before. Before we call pehle. Pehle. Now before whom? If before me, it will be mujhse. Mujhse. It was me. But it becomes mujhse if it is to use before me. Mujhse pehle. Before me. Mujhse pehle. Got it? So Michael is subject. Mujhse pehle, before me. Now what? What had he done? He had drunk juice. So then it comes the object juice. Like say, if it was not used before me, it would be Michael juice. P chuka tha. But if it came before me, then it comes before mujhse pehle. Michael मुझसे पहले जूस पी चुका था चुकी थी चुके थे चुका था for singular and male. Chuki thi, it will be I. You must be habitual now for single female. And chuke the. Now a for plural. For plural. Got it? So Michael had drunk juice. The juice before me. Michael मुझसे पहले juice पी चुका था. Now, you know, it can be चुके थे also. If Michael's wife or Michael's daughter or Michael's son speaks about him with that respect as it is spoken in India, he'll be treated in subject verb agreement चुके थे. Got it? If I want to speak about someone with lot of respect In formal sense, I'll say Michael Jose P. Chukete, not Chukata. But generally, as it is a singular, it's Chukata. Got it? Now, next. And the last one for past is past perfect continuous. Perfect continuous, you know. Like present perfect continuous, he has been drinking water. Past perfect continuous, he had been drinking water. Right? At a particular point of time, something had been continuing. Like something had been continuing. Something was being done continuously till that point of time. Same way. See, what is this? The children had been drinking milk for 2 hours. Means continuously the children had been drinking milk for 2 hours when I saw them. Got it? So had been drinking what? Milk. The milk we call it doodh. Doodh. Right? We in Hindi, native Hindi speakers call it doodh. More than milk, we call it doodh. Got it? So children means bacche. Bacche. This is the way to read it. Bacche. 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 Right? Children. Bacche. Now you know, just after subject, object comes bacche doodh. But there is a time preposition for 2 hours. 2 hours we have already discussed. For 2 we will use do. It's not do, it's do. This dental do. Alright? And for hours we have used ghante, plural. So bacche do ghante. For this, for it will be say. Bacche 2 ghante se. What were they doing? Doodh. Then pee rahe. It is plural. Rahe. Alright. Rahe. For past, it will be the. It's plural. Rahe the. If it were a singular subject, like the child had been drinking milk for 2 hours. The child, a single child, it would be raha tha. Got it? If plural, rahe the. I hope it's clear. Now you can, exchange, replace the subject. Alright, like my boss had been taking tea for an hour, still it was not finished. My boss had been taking coffee for an hour. So it means my boss had been drinking coffee. We want to use the word drink here. Drink. My boss had been drinking coffee for 2 hours. So my boss, mera. It's mere. Mera. If my boss is a female, meri. Got it? So, mera boss. Time preposition. For 2 hours, 2 ghante se. For an hour, ek. To one we call ek. Ek ghante se. What? Drinking coffee. Coffee पी रहा था, पी रही थी, पी रहे थे. Here the children have been drinking milk for 2 hours. बच्चे 2 घंटे से दूध पी रहे थे. You practice and ask for the vocabulary of any word in English. You'll be provided. Alright? Thank you so much. Namaskar. Thank you.